Hey everyone, welcome to an epic food review. I'm going to take these off because there's actually not any sound coming through them. Today, we're reviewing Special K. It's a cereal. I don't actually know where the... Okay, the camera's right there. It's a cereal, and you put it in a bowl or a cup and fill it with milk and then eat it with a spoon, or you can just drink it, or you can eat it dry if you don't like the milk with it. So here we go. I'm going to take a bite now. Mm. Two thumbs up, but my other thumb is holding the camera, so I guess it gets one. And that was very delicious. Tasty, even. I like the crunch flavor, but it does get soggy kind of fast, so you have to eat it kind of fast, unless you like soggy cereal. Five out of five.